Welcome to Gadget Nojo. Today we're diving into one of the most advanced action cameras on the market, the GoPro Hero 12. Whether you're a thrill seeker or just someone who loves capturing moments in the best possible quality, this gadget is going to change the way you shoot videos. Let's start with a quick unboxing. Inside, we have the GoPro Hero 12, a charging cable, a mounting buckle, and a battery. Simple, compact, and ready to go. The GoPro Hero 12 comes with 6K video capability and enhanced hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization, which means your footage will look buttery smooth even in the wildest conditions. Plus, with 10-bit color support, your videos will be vibrant and cinematic. To get started, simply power it on and connect it to the GoPro Quick app on your phone. This allows you to control settings, preview shots, and instantly transfer your videos. Adjust your frame rate, resolution, and lens options right from the app. Once you're ready, mount it anywhere. The magnetic mounting system and various accessories make it super easy to attach to your helmet, bike, surfboard, or even your pet. With waterproofing up to 33 feet, you can take it underwater without a case, perfect for beach days or diving adventures. Here's why you'll love using the GoPro Hero 12. It captures 6K video with incredible clarity and stability, even in high-speed action. The slow-motion feature lets you relive every detail of the action, while the voice control makes it hands-free. Just say GoPro, start recording, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome tech reviews. This is Gadget Nojo, and I'll see you in the next video.